So we have really three main tools that we're featuring today for cryo-electron microscopy. That's the Tundra, which is our entry-level tool for we sort of position for new users and people just getting started in Cryo-EM, or users that just need an easy-to-use platform for doing their experiments. We have the new Glacios 2, which I'll come back to in a second, which is sort of our mid-range Cryo-TEM, and then we have our high-end instrument, the Cryos. And so that Cryos is basically the workhorse of Cryo-EM and can do tomography, it can do micro-ED, it can do single particle analysis, and really just these beautiful structures that you see here are done either on the Glacios, the Cryos, or the Tundra. All three tools just are enabling structural biology for our customers and our users and for drug discovery. So the Glacios 2 is our newest platform for cryo-electron microscopy, and really can enable all three workflows, or all three main workflows: micro-ED, single particle analysis, and tomography. And really the Glacios 2 is built around ease of use, and so a number of features around the tool enable just non-expert microscopists to use the tool. And I think one of the big things that we added to the Glacios 2 is a software component with Smart EPU, and really that just enables users of all skill levels to start acquiring really high quality data with minimal experience. BPS for me has always been the why, right? It's just the biology questions that people are approaching and asking, and I think that's where the amazing science is happening. And so you get to talk to people about their problems, about their projects, about their work, and really think about how we at Thermo Fisher can actually help them and enable structural biology for the protein biochemist and the biophysicist, and that's everybody that's in this room. And so I don't want to give a percentage, but I'm sure there's a significant percentage of people here that are not doing structural biology, but structural biology would greatly enable the research that they're doing. And so for us, it's how do we approach those people? How do we talk to those people? And how do we just explain the benefits of having a picture?